o'clock, maybe I'll get out of bed today. It's time to start getting ready for the rest of the day. Will it be another good day for me? I don't know, I'll have to get out of bed to see. It's 2 o'clock and I'm just not starting my car. I'm going to your house, it's not very far. You called and got me out of bed today. Thank you, girl, you've always been there for me. Today I'll get up anyway. This day seems like it might be okay. Today maybe I'll see you again. Someday, 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 yeah. Believe in me and I'll see my way through this. I love you, girl, can we leave with just one more kiss? And I miss you more every time we go through this. Come back to me every day is what I wish. Today I'll get up anyway. This day seems like it might be okay. Today maybe I'll see you again. Someday, 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 yeah. My head is spinning every time that I think about you. My life is ending every time that I come around you. I love you, can't you see? I can't live without you. I need you, I want you. Why can't I have you? Today I'll get up anyway. This day seems like it might be okay. Today maybe I'll see you again. Someday, 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 yeah.
Ha ha ha!